Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I'm going to make something a little different. I've never tried this before, but I've heard about it. So I've got this New York strip steak here, come from this boneless steakhouse cut, come from Publix. It says it's premium steakhouse cut, USDA choice beef. So it should, most of the time when you get stuff out of Publix like that, it's pretty good and pretty fresh. And today I've got some coffee rub here that I made, and I'm going to try using it and see how it is. Now I might just have to make a cup of coffee out of it, you know. I don't know, but we'll see. So let's get started with it. I'll get this unwrapped and then we'll go from there. Okay, now the first thing we'll do, I'm just going to put a liberal amount of this rub down here on this plate. Now, take this good looking New York strip here and lay it right down on top of it. And that just helps, you know, helps get it started like that, you know. So now, I'm going to wipe my hands off a little bit before I do what I'm fixing to do. Now we'll cover the top of it here. I don't want to be stingy with it because I want it all to be covered. Although, like I said, that's the first time I've ever tried this. I might be wishing I hadn't got them all covered, you know, before it's over with. But we're going to find out. Now you do it like this real good to get all the ends and the edges, you know, just like that. Now it's covered pretty good. The other place is not covered. Now it is. Alright, now we'll try to shake some of the excess off of it. I don't want it to be overdone. Now, I'm going to take it right over here and set it down in this FOODi DELUXE. Okay, now you see it down in that crisper basket there, and I could get another one in there without much trouble at all. So, now here's the problem I've got with this thing. Now I know the way this FOODi DELUXE cooks, and this is a pretty thick piece of meat, and so I don't know whether I want to try to cook it real fast, you know, or just try to slow cook it a little bit. For this beef, I think I'm just going to go ahead and cook it fast, and we'll see what we come to. If it gets too crispy on the outside, we'll just turn the temperature down on it some and keep on going with it. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is shut the lid on this FOODi DELUXE here and turn on the power. Now we're going over here. I was going to put it on broil, but I'm going to leave it on air crisp. And if it's not getting crispy enough, I'll turn it on up on broil. But anyway, the temperature, we'll put the temperature up at 400 degrees. And I'm just going to leave it on 20 minutes for the time being, because I'm going to be checking it periodically anyway with a thermometer. So we'll hit the start button. And there it goes. Now, while y'all got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our videos. And if you get a chance, check out our links down below. We got a lot of new stuff down there, and I've been working on it a little bit, trying to get it more organized. So maybe it'll be easier to find something if you do need it. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now I was just thinking I should have recorded it when I mixed that rub together. And you know, hindsight's always 20/20. But what it was is 2/3 cup of ground coffee, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now I'll make sure I leave that on the screen somewhere you know, or in the description down below or in both places so you can find it. Okay, that's been going for almost 14 minutes, so let's take a look and just see. Oh man, I wish you could smell this. Now this really smells good. This is looking delicious. See if I can get a temperature reading. Now let me find the biggest, fattest spot here. Try to get down in the middle of it. And it's still got a ways to go. It's about 119. So we'll shut this lid back and let it get started back. Okay, now it's been in there over a little bit over 17 minutes. And I just took a temperature reading on it. And it's up to 140 degrees. That's actually a little bit more than I like it, but that's just about perfect for what Kay likes it. And this is her dinner, so I think I'm going to stop it there. Let me pull it out of this thing. Put it on a plate here. Oh, don't that look good? It sure does. Now, while that's resting a minute before I cut it, I'm not going to cut it yet till it rests for a few minutes. Gee whiz, I want to tear into that thing right there. But while I'm waiting, I'll take just a few of these 4-hour tater tots, pop right down in that crisper basket with these all those juices and spices and stuff. I'm just going to let it finish up. I don't think it's going to take much longer than this at 400 degrees to do those, being it's already preheated, but we'll see. Okay, those 3 minutes wasn't quite enough time for those tater tots, so I'm going to shut the lid back and turn back on the power again. Put it up over here on air crisp, and turn up the temperature to 400 degrees. And just put it on 5 minutes here. And hit the start button. And I'm sure that's all it's going to take. And at that time, the steak will be just about right to cut. Okay, now it's come to the end of that 5 minutes here, and that makes it a total of 8 minutes I had those in there for. And I looked a minute ago and they're getting nice golden brown here. I don't want to burn them up. So let's see what one of these looks like. Oh, okay, hold on to it. There you go, nice and golden brown, browning up. So now we'll take them and dump them in this plate over here. Now I change my mind on that. I'm just going to put them in this little bowl here, because I don't want them to get soggy. I don't want them to get over there in the steak juice and get soggy. So just dump them right here, like that, all out. Ouch! That pot is still hot. I don't know why I keep touching it like that. I keep saying it's still hot. Now let me get a knife and cut this, see how it is. Okay, now I just want this little tip right here. Oh, shoot. You should just feel how easy that goes through there. Now, like I said, this is just a little bit more done than I like it, but that's just about perfect for her. I'm going to try it. Yeah, see how it just pulls apart like that? Now that's delicious right there. Little tater. Okay, now I really need some salt and pepper on steak. Well, potatoes too, really. But I don't know why I should have put the salt and pepper on. Should I have done it when I mixed up the rub, or should do it after it's cooked, or what, you know. But it really needs salt and pepper on it. Outside that is, I'm sure I'll be cooking a lot of steaks like this in a lot of different ways. Well, a lot of different meats too. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and thank you very much for watching our videos. It sure does mean a lot to us. And come back and see us as soon as you can, and if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. And so until next time, goodbye now.